In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Loom video. This process is quick and straightforward, whether you're dealing with a single video or multiple ones. Plus, we'll touch on a few important things you'll need to keep in mind. Let's dive right in. First, let's tackle how to delete a single Loom video. Begin by logging into your Loom account. Once you're in, head over to your My Library section or the Share page of the specific video you want to delete. When you're on the right page, look for the three-dot menu. It's usually located right above the video or within the library view itself. Give it a click, and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From here, select the Delete option. After you hit Delete, you'll be met with a confirmation prompt, often labeled as Permanently Delete. It's crucial to remember that once you click to confirm, that video will be removed from your account instantly, and you won't be able to recover it. So make sure you really don't need it anymore before proceeding. Now, if you need to delete multiple videos at once, there's a slightly different approach. Again, navigate to your library. This time, you'll want to start by selecting multiple videos. Do this by checking the boxes next to each video you want to get rid of. If you have a string of videos in a row that you need to delete, there's a handy trick. Click on the first video, hold down the Shift key, and then click on another video further down the list. This will auto-select all the videos in between, saving you a bit of time. Once you have all the videos selected, look towards the bottom of your screen and click on the delete icon. Just like before, confirm the deletion, and those videos will be permanently removed. Before you go ahead with these steps, there are some crucial things to remember. First, you need to be the owner of the video to delete it. If the video was shared with you, but you don't have ownership, you won't be able to delete it. Next, the deletion process is irreversible. So, once you confirm that deletion, the videos are gone for good. If you're hesitant about deleting something permanently, consider Loom's archive feature for a less final option. Archiving keeps your videos out of sight without making them disappear forever. And there you have it. Whether you're managing one video or several, I hope this guide makes the process a breeze. Thanks for watching, and happy cleaning up.